Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set timer in camera setting in realme phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon. Scroll down and then click on the camera icon. Then you have see here many option. Click on the three lines, then click on the timer option. When you click first time, you have to see 3 in the clock, then again click 10 in the clock. Then after that, when you click photo like that, here you have to see result. It take 10 seconds to click the final photo like that. In this way a photo is clicked after wait for 10 seconds. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us.